Portulaca oleracea, otherwise known as purslane. This is an edible succulent, and it is a non-native species to the United States, but it's been here for a really, really long time. It thrives in sunny, disturbed areas like roadsides and fields. The stems are reddish and thick. The flower, when it gets a flower, is yellow, 5 petals with a little divot in each petal. The leaves are green and paddle-shaped, and while they're not the juiciest succulent leaves that I've seen, you will be able to tell that it is a succulent when you examine it up close. It has an extensive range. It's found in Africa, Europe, the Middle East, and it is absolutely a vegetable. You can eat this. It has a crunch, a little bit of a sourness to it, but not unpleasant. Very tasty. You can eat it raw, you can eat it cooked. The whole plant is edible, including the stems. Thing is mostly water, but it does have a little bit of carbohydrates, vitamin E, vitamin C. As with all wild plants, careful observation, research, and identification from at least 3 reputable separate sources is really important to make sure you got the right thing. As you can see, these petal-shaped leaves are lighter on the underside, darker on the upper side. They've got those reddish stems, and there is a look-alike for this plant near where I live that I'm going to show you. This is a toxic look-alike. Here is Euphorbia nutans, or nodding spurge. You see it's got these tiny white flowers, but the dead giveaway is that milky sap, which I am erroneously touching with bare hands there. Don't touch the sap, it's not good for you. And definitely do not eat nodding spurge. Okay, back to purslane. They are prolific seed producers. A single plant can produce almost 200,000 seeds, which is just wild. But despite it being really widespread and producing so many seeds, this is actually the first one that I found near me. Now, I found this one on the side of the road where they do spray sometimes, so I'm not going to eat this one. I am going to plant it and try to get it to grow. I'm also going to try to propagate from some of the leaves. Some succulents are really easy to propagate from the leaves. You just lay the leaf down on the dirt, not even covered, and spritz it once in a while. But I am going to try planting this in an area that I think it will like on my property, and hopefully it'll take off, and we'll have some good purslane growing in the garden for next year. Overall, really beautiful and delicious succulent plant, and definitely worth foraging. If you're interested in finding out what kind of food, medicine, or crafts might be growing wild and free near you, I wrote you a book for that. It's called Eco-Punk Foraging: How to Use Wild Plants for Food, Medicine, and Crafts by Melanie Weird. It is available on Amazon.